I wasn't sure which trim polish to use. I've decided on Autoglym. Gets good reviews. That's one of the reasons. The other reason, the middle square on the Autoglym advert matches the colour of the car, so it's got to be good. No idea what to apply it with. Gotta clean that bit. So I've ripped a piece of sponge and I'm going to apply it with this. See what effect that has. So a lot of people have said it's very liquid like. I've not tipped it yet. You're live with this one. So I'm putting it in a, oh, it smells nice. I'm putting it in a glass bowl and I'll apply it using a bit of ripped off sponge that I've got, and we'll see how that works. Right. Oh, it's sticky. It's like, gosh, it's sticky. Feels like glue. You can get it on the paintwork. It washes off. I'm just doing circular motions all the way up to the edge. So what I'll do is, I'll do the whole trim. That's the start of it. It's really shiny to start with. Let's get this one done and I'll come back to you. Be careful of sensors. I don't trust them. I don't go near them. And then circular movements both ways, just to make sure I'm getting it into all of the grain. Nearly 8 minutes. And I'm just going to buff it off all the way around. Again, careful of the sensors. And there's one done. I've applied it to that part at the bottom. Well, you can tell I've not done it to the back corner yet. Show you at the end, sure enough. Been all the way around the car. Just doing this last bit. I'll show you the finished result. All finished. Quick look round. See what you think. The back's difficult on here. It's not got the diffuser like the Sport, but it's a large black area. And down the sides, dead easy. That's took, I don't know, 25 minutes. But I think it's made quite a difference. And I would suggest getting the product.